What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I guess what I said in one of my previous night ride videos was pretty true, because I don't really have any plans for today either. I just wanted to go for a nice little ride, so that's what we're doing today. And what I said in my previous video was also true. That was the last time that this bike was being broken in. It's already after the break-in service. I got it done today. Unfortunately, I couldn't record right away because I had to pick up my girlfriend and I had to do a whole bunch of other stuff too. But at least I got to ride tonight, so I'm super happy with it. And I'm kind of feeling like a crazy ride kind of vibe, you know? We'll see. I still want to like talk for a bit and stuff like that, but I do definitely want to rev this bike out and have some fun with it today, boys. It's almost been like a month since the crash with the black 600RR. And I gotta say, guys, I was breaking it in and I was pretty sad that I can't rev it out. And now that I kinda am like easing the bike into fully revving it out, it is absolutely freaking crazy, man. I absolutely forgot how insane this bike is, guys. Freaking cops are like everywhere today, boys. I've seen probably like 30 cop cars today, honestly. Someone's catching up to me already, guys. It might be freaking cops. That BMW ain't can't do shit, bro. He's giving me thumbs up, man. I love that guy. Alright, you know what? Let's join him for a bit, boys. This guy's pretty crazy too, guys. I think he was giving it like full throttle and I just absolutely destroyed him, but hey man, he likes it. Goodbye! Holy freaking wheelie, boys! I'm probably just gonna wait for the guy just to say bye, and then I'll just probably head somewhere else, but definitely fun runs with him. Definitely probably made his night too. And yeah, boys, fucking crazy. See you, bro. And I think we got another BMW driver here, boys. What's going on, man? This is like a fucking GTA server today, boys. And it seems like he's got an exhaust done as well. So, oh, little freaking flashy brake light. Oh, okay. This guy might be serious, boys. How illegal are you willing to get? Are you willing to freaking just cross this double line and just fucking send it? Because I am, bro. Are we sending it, dude? I'm trying to like kind of tease him, you know? I'm trying to tease him, you know? Alright, guys, definitely for some fun. We're actually gonna wait, boys. I don't know if you guys remember the second black 600RR video, but I was going down this road and there's 2 lanes down there, so we're not gonna freaking send it right now. We're actually gonna wait just so we can bully another Beamer today, boys. We're ready. We're ready. We learned from the M2. We're ready. Holy, that guy's crazy. Tighter, boys, it gets tighter. Holy, that was like right on the fucking edge, boys. That was the right edge of the tire, guys. That was fucking close as shit. Is he gonna be able to brake? I don't know if I trust him. I don't know if I trust him. All right, we're good. Thanks, bro. He got smoked once, and I think he got enough of it. I think he's smarter than the guy with the Z4, boys. Thanks, bro. Bye. I'm not going to wait around for this guy too long, boys. Even though it was some fun runs, Let's see if he actually tries to catch up to me. He would be crazy to do that. But I waved them by. I think that's enough, boys. The Z4 guy seemed a bit cooler, man. He was like genuinely like smiling from fucking ear to ear. I mean, this guy was smiling too. He gave me the thumbs up too, so what am I even complaining about, man? Like, oh my god, boys! Like, you can't really do this during the day on these roads. You would have to like take it to the highway, and then still, you can still have like a lot of traffic there. So that's what night rides are for, man. You can always find kind of like a small empty spot on the road, have a little race, have a little fun, you know, just best vibes, guys, honestly. You know, it's 12:30 right now, so some people are still awake, and that's when like all the fun happens. But when like 3 or 4 a.m. hits, that's when it's like pretty much only you on the road, which obviously is a great vibe for sure. But I don't know, at night it's just fun to like race around, meet new people, troll people, stuff like that, you know? Just good vibes, boys. Good vibes. Correct me if I'm wrong, boys, but I'm pretty sure we have not been in the tunnels in the last few videos, hopefully, because I'm kind of feeling like a pretty quick, crazy tunnel ride, and then I think we're gonna like exit a bit sooner from the tunnel and continue riding somewhere else. But I do want to hit up the tunnels right now and just go for a pretty crazy ride. Oh, the sound in the tunnels is just freaking unbeatable, boys. Holy, wet road. We're good. We're good, we're good. So much. I didn't want to exit here either way because I think that's enough for a tunnel ride today, and I'm not sure where I exited, so this is going to be kind of like a mystery. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Let's go. Thank you. I know it's 12:30, but you're in a car. You're not at your home. You're not sleeping, bro. Not yet. Wakey, wakey. Yo! Yo, we're hitting up these guys. Bro, this is a fucking... We are running a red. Who gives a flying fuck right now, boys? Boys, this is a fucking GTA server today. What's going on? We got dudes on fucking motocross bikes just popping wheelies, man. Yo, these boys are crazy. Let's check those boys out. That's crazy, right, bro? Yo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir! premium footage for free, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo! Oh shit! Holy shit, boys! This is fucking nuts, man! Never seen this shit in the tunnel today, boys! Woo! That's crazy, bro! Yo! That's sick, boys! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! These boys are fucking crazy! Yo! Woo! This dude is nuts, man! Holy fuck! Yo, I want to like meet up with those guys, man. Yeah, bro, I got you, bro. This guy's nuts, bro. Hej, dej mi Instač, já vám to pošlu pak. Čau. Jste mega borci, ty vole, na tom. To je strašný, ty vole. Jo, dík. To musí být, vole. Dělám s motorkama. OK, chlapi, tak čau. Was just try and dip because there were cops there and I had my fucking plates flipped up and they're like, yeah, these fucking cops are gonna fuck you up, dude. Boys, that was my first time running a red light and I never want to do that again on a bike, but you guys have to admit that was crazy and I needed to fucking catch those guys and I couldn't wait for the fucking light. I'm pretty sure we got some pretty decent footage for them, boys. So like I got the boys to pull over and I gave them my Instagram, told them to DM me, and they told me to fucking link up at a meet tomorrow at 9 or 10. Yeah, the guy said he's gonna DM me all the info, and fuck yeah, boys, we made a whole bunch of new friends for sure. They're on motocross bikes, so kind of a different culture, but hey man, we're all fucking bikers, we're all fucking just tearing up the streets tonight, so hey man, it's an instant bond right away, guys. And not gonna lie, these guys were fucking killing it, man. That guy scraped that shit like it was nothing, man. And not gonna lie, obviously I've seen a fuck ton of videos of people doing it on Instagram, on YouTube, but seeing that shit in person, holy fuck, boys. Gotta watch out here because the lights are turned off, which means even though we have the right of way, there can be a car that can just pop out from the side any moment, and he's not going to be expecting me going like 150 through that intersection, you know? Typically I would record for way longer, but I think already so many crazy things happened in this video, and I think this video is going to be pretty long already. But real quick, I do want to find like a nice road where I can do a few more pulls with the bike, and then we'll probably end it off today, boys. I did think of a road where I could probably do a few pulls, and it's pretty close by. there are 2 gas stations, one from each side, so there technically could be cars coming out of there, so I do need to watch out. And there could also be cops there. But yeah, boy wants to do some pulls. Yeah, I forgot how freaking crazy this bike is, man. Fucking hell, guys. I love it, but this bike is freaking scary, man. Alright, boys, and I think I'm gonna leave it off here. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you boys again next week. Peace!